Tapar marudhiambo hero kamano nyakora mogi kumnyora mogi TV ne weche manyien mabende biro ni eyo ma achuok nyinga Ochieng Emmanuel. Kawachako ni gavana ma Machakos Vinya Ndeti omedo kwayo migosi Raila Amolo Odinga mondo sir lwedo ogai maduong' bura mar Wiper Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka e lek mare mabedo jatend piny Kenya e yiero maduong' mar higa mar 2027. Kolose kanisa mar AIC Baraka mayudore Mlolongo County ma Machakos mana ndalo achiel kende bang' yiero ma jalar kom mar AUC jakom mar AUC Wavinya nyiso Odinga ni duto pokolal kendo pod en gi ting' pacho ka joma mokalo koloso e county ma Siaya nyasi mar iko moro. Wavinya nojiwo jodak ma Nyanza mondo sir Kalonzo kowacho ni Kalonzo osesiro Odinga kuom higni 15.
Simuliona juzi mimi nilikuwa Kisumu. Nikawaambia sisi tumetembea na wao miaka 15 and we have been faithful. So we are asking our brothers also from the Nyanza region to also be faithful to us and support us because His Excellency Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka anaomba kiti ya rais yake. Si ni sawa? Aombe naende atafute marafiki wengi wengine huko nje. Atafute marafiki wengi huko tukuje tushikane ndio tuweze kufanya kazi pamoja.
Riwruok mar lakteche bade ma Kericho mano county obugo dhi ng'anyo pono ni tend county ma Kericho orem kete timo girimiti mana gichopo e KMPDU bade ma Kericho okon tend county no ni kondala 14 mondo rang ng'ur margi kambende gichwal ne tend county kamotingo keto e tim lai mag tich kod lwasi malong'o kaachiel gichoro e nyime ngas mabende gin godo mag tich gikoni gibiro jwang'o tich e kuonde thieth duto mag county kendo onge dok chien okang' bende gibiro kawo.
Issues at hand that we found to be of serious concern to our members is the issue of medical cover. As doctors, Kericho County does not have a comprehensive medical cover for its doctors, despite the fact that they provide the service of being healthcare workers and doctors. So actually they are providing a service that themselves they cannot afford. So for that reason, we'll not have any reason, if that particular matter will not have been resolved, will not have any reason to be at work after the elapse of 14 days.
Nyinyi munasema hamkuweka hizo pesa kwa bajeti. Kwa nini? Inamaanisha kwamba hamjali wafanyikazi wenu haswa wa afya. Iwapo kaunti ya Kericho haitaweza kutupa suluhisho kwa haya mambo ambayo tumeandika tarehe 3 mwezi wa 3 mwaka huu saa 6 usiku kamili tutaanza mgomo wetu.
Jalup jatend piny Kithure Kindiki otelo chenro mar weche thieth matudo county kod piny owacho mamalo e kar jot ma Karen. Romono menyo yudo yore mag bero sekta mar thieth kod okenge mag bero kumba mag thieth e bwo chenro mag Taifa Care.
Today's meeting provides a platform for us to jointly discuss, learn, innovate, and share experiences on health by fast-tracking our journey towards universal health coverage. Additionally, meetings like this will foster intergovernmental coordination and cooperation, thereby making the national and county governments to be more effective and efficient in their roles.
This meeting also will be expected to deal with the issue of the capability of our health institutions and health facilities to provide the required services, and therefore the National Equipment Support Program and how we again expedite the outstanding issues around ensuring that our health facilities have the necessary capabilities to deliver services is part of the outcome for this meeting. In terms of registration, we seem to be making good progress. 19.5 million Kenyans are already enrolled. And for the avoidance of doubts, out of the 19.5 million Kenyans, all of them are enjoying primary health care, which the government is providing free of charge. We need to do some work to make sure that as many people as possible who have registered are making contributions.
Jara maklepe matugo adhula e lig maduong' ma piny Ingereza kawo thuolo margi ma golo remo e reso ngima jotugo e kar thieth maduong' ma Kisii. Jarago mane rwako lep timbe mag siro ni kata doko ni gin gi sigu e kindgi nikech timbe mag siro. Ne gineno ni ber mondo mi gibi kamoro achiel mar golo remo, ranyisi mar hera e kind oganda. Jotend kar thieth nono kwayo jopiny mondo obed gi chuny mar chiwo kendo golo remo mar konyo jotuo.
Hii brada hatujalipwa, ni kujitolea just to save a life for an innocent person who is in the hospital. So tumekuja hapa na hii exercise as Manchester Gusii imekondaktiwa nationwide with all the branches. The 19 counties conducted the same exercise. Hiyo ni ya Manchester, Kenya. But for us Kisii, we saw it is wise tukuje na Arsenal because we are brothers and sisters.
So far, we have collected 150 units.
Wow.
So 150 units is not something small, but I congratulate you. Again, next time, welcome and save a life.
We are trying to share love with everybody because this is still a red affair. Sisi Arsenal na Manchester wote ni watu wa wekundu, na we are really trying to push and help the society become a better place.
Kiambu miche gi miche mag johale boma ma Kiambu kono lal marom menda marom milion modhuro bang dukni mag wang'o otieno ma piny norugo kawuono. Apisa mochung' ne nego mach e kaunti no ma Kiambu kanyakla gi jolweny mane wuok e kambi jolweny nokonyore nego majno manoyudo ka oselandore e alworano. Maleute 50 nowang' e masira mar mach ka thoth oganda ne oresi e mach magerno. Kata kamano gi ng'at manohinyore ka nonro koro dhi nyime e wi gino madine kel majno.
Inaitwa Business Arcade hapa CBD Kiambu kwa soko, na tunaona ni biashara nyingi sana zimeathirika, biashara 50 kwenda juu, kwa sababu wengi watu hawkers huwa wanaweka mali yao huko na hiyo mali hata imeungua.
Stima tunaona pale ikitoa sparks na what have you. So we don't want to speculate on anything. We want the investigating officers wakuje ndio waangalie, ndio watuambie kiini cha moto ni nini.
Wote nikawaambia watoke. Nikapanda huko juu, nikafungulia maji, zile tangi zilikuwa zimetoreka, zote nikachapa, nimetoanisha mapipe. Ile rooftop ilikuwa inachomeka, nikaswing, nikaiangusha chini na nikashuka.
Jofwamb weche kaunti ma Taita Taveta obago ng'anyo ka gikwedo mokalo. Weche mag jatend migawo mathieth e kaunti no Gifton Mkaya mosebedo ka tudo gi weche mag mibadhi. Jofwamb golero ni jatend no osebedo ka giwacho adier na gidwaro pesa seche mag timo tijegi. To gilero ni gin kaka jofwamb gisebedo ka golo dok 8 jopiny kaluwore kod rach mar sekta mathieth e kaunti no.
Beleni tulikuwa tumewaandikia barua ili waweze kumshinikiza waziri yule ama yeye waziri mwenyewe kwa hiari yake aweze kuomba msamaha kwa matamshi aliyoyatoa kwa waandishi wa habari katika kaunti hii ya Taita Taveta. Matamshi ambayo aliyeweza kuyatoa wakati alipokuwa akizungumza katika hospitali ya rufaa ya Moi ni matamshi ya kudhalilisha uhana habari, kwa kusema kwamba sisi tumekuwa tukipokea hongo ili tuweze kupeperusha taarifa kuhusu hali ya afya. Wananchi katika kaunti ya Taita Taveta, kama kinavyosema kipengele cha 35 cha katiba, kinazungumza kwamba wananchi wana haki ya kupata habari. Waziri anapokeuka haki ile, bila shaka hana sababu ya kukimbilia kulaumu waandishi wa habari. Kwa hiyo tumekuja hapa kimsingi Jumatatu ya leo na wanachama wote hawa kushinikiza mwajiri wa waziri ambaye ni Gavana Antu Mwadime kuchukua hatua. Hatua ya kwanza tukisema kwamba waziri yote aliyoyasema na mengine ambayo yamekuwa pale mbele akituhumiwa nayo ni sababu tosha ya mwajiri wake kumwachisha kazi.
Tumekuwa tukijaribu kueleza wananchi nini kinaendelea juu ya afya, but waziri Mkaya amekuwa arrogant na amekuwa hawezi kupatia habari. Sasa ndio maana tumekuja hapa ili tu demand kwa governor amchukulie hatua huyu waziri, kwa sababu hatuwezi kufanya kazi na yeye. Kwa hivyo tumekuja hapa, tutaondoka. Unajua governor kwa round, mpaka governor aje tuongee na yeye, tu present petition yetu ndio tuondoke.
Sababu ya sisi kufanya maandamano leo ni kwamba siku 7 ziliisha, tulipatia nafasi governor, tulipatia waziri wake nafasi, na pia tulipatia county secretary, lakini hadi kufikia siku hizo 7 zimeshika hakuna mtu ambaye tutafuta. Lakini cha kushangaza ni kwamba walitutafuta wakituambia tukutane nao katika klabu. Unasikia? Ni kitu cha kushangaza kwamba serikali nzima, cabinet inaita waandishi wa habari wakakutana sisi katika klabu, tukazungumza nao nini? Tuliandika barua kuomba waziri aweze kuomba msamaha. Hakuomba msamaha.
Imekuwa changamoto kubwa sana kwa sisi kupata habari, si kwa sekta ya afya peke yake, lakini hata kuna sekta zingine pia zina changamoto, na huu ndio mwanzo tu, bado tunazidi. Tunaanza na sekta ya afya, alafu nayo kabisa.
Moyo welo fachel miochel ogowe wat ma Mombasa gimeli ario madongo midendo ni cruise ships. Ma okelo buonjo ne jogo manie sekta malimbe kod ohala ma koni gin kod geno mayudo ohala maber e thuolo ni. Meli mokwongo midendo ni MS Europa ne ogo kar sa 12 kogwen gi welo mohewo 700 kama chielo midendo ni World Odyssey to ne ogo kar sa 3 okinyi gi welo mohewo 800. Meli achiel biro dok kawuono godhiambo kama chielo to biro bedo Mombasa e thuolo ma ndalo achiel auchiel.
I'm so excited to be in Kenya. Such a beautiful country already. We are heading to Diani Beach.
And we're late.
And we're late.
We gotta go.
We're late.
What's really unique about each of our voyages is that our faculty work with local providers and faculty members within the countries we're visiting. So here in Mombasa, to provide a field class experience for our students.
Normally we always receive maybe one ship at a time, but today we are lucky enough to have received 2 ships. And it is the start of the season for cruise tourism. Next week, the ship which is at berth number 1 will be here for 6 days. And you can imagine with 800 passengers, how much it will be left in this country and the port of Mombasa and the county of Mombasa.
We have today tourists who have gone to the Tsavo National Park, Amboseli National Park, and exciting also to have some of them going to Vipingo to play golf. So we look forward to more endorsements about having more ship dock here. We know that this is money that remains with the community in terms of their spend when they come in.
Wadhi county ma namba 9048 pinje Malebamba lwenyo chako much kende gweng makivu milambo mapin DRC ka koro kweth jolweny mobalo gi 10 pinno M23 wacho ni gi seteko boma ma Bukavu. E tulo no manyien mochako much gi kodirani bang kwe beti thuolo machuok kweth M23 koni ok gibidok chine lek margi maketo maromare oganda duto mowuok e piny DRC. Magitimore bang riwruok ma pinje Afrika EU dwaro mondo kweth no miluor 10 piny owacho ma DRC ka komiti mar arita mar EU koro dwaro mondo chenro mar mayo kweth ma M23 gigegi mag lweny ochakre ayanga. Lweny manyien biro tok kweth mar M23 tieko kata teko boma ma Goma mayudore nyandwat ma Kivu kama ji moinge 3,000 nonegi.
We are all very, very concerned about an open regional war in over Eastern DRC. And this, we reiterated the need for caution and the need for M23 and its supporters to disarm and withdraw from the Goma airport and other occupied territories.
In the Democratic Republic of the Congo, the Congolese people have been suffering yet again from a brutal cycle of violence. And the fighting that is raging in South Kivu as a result of the continuation of the M23 offensive threatens to push the entire region over the precipice. There is no military solution. The deadlock must end, the dialogue must begin, and the sovereignty and territorial integrity of the DRC must be respected.
Kocha mar Manchester United Ruben Amorim dhi nyime gi duoko Manchester United piny e chung' mar lig